What's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Derek and in today's video we are taking a look at the ultimate YouTube setup for under $500. Woo! No, but seriously, I'm sure you guys have seen these videos on YouTube. The best YouTube setup for under $100. The best YouTube setup for under $200. But the truth is, they suck balls. So what I want to do in this video is we're going to do a budget of $500. That might be a lot for you, and if it is, I apologize. There are those cheaper videos on the internet, but on this channel, what I always say when we do reviews of anything, when we talk about products, anything like that, I always say that the best thing you can do is not waste your money on product. If you don't have the money to buy something that is good, that is actually a good quality budget item, save your money until you do. So with that said, I'm gonna show you guys the best setup for $500 that in my opinion you can buy, and that is including everything except for a camera. I'm assuming you're gonna use your smartphone as your main camera. If you're just starting out, I'm telling you nowadays where smartphones are at, that is your best choice. That's the best thing to use, hands down. Even if you buy a cheap camera, if you don't know how to use it properly and stuff when you're starting out anyways, it's probably not gonna look that great. In fact, that's what I'm talking to you guys on right now. What you're seeing right here, it's my cell phone. So the $500 goes elsewhere. So with that said, we're gonna jump on to the computer and I'm gonna show you guys what we're looking at. All right guys, and now here we are on the computer. I'm sitting in front of the computer anyways, and we're gonna take a look at the different products. So the first thing up, the most important thing is your audio. Listen, you're gonna hear it and then you're gonna wanna do something else. But I'm telling you, audio, good, clean audio is more important than 4K video. It's more important than 1080p video. And here's the problem. You can, again, get cheaper stuff, but honestly, you get what you pay for in these products, and especially when it comes to audio, if you cheap out, it's gonna be crap for you.
Because tonight will be the night that I will fall from.
All right, guys, so now that we know that audio is the most important thing, what I suggest if you're starting a YouTube channel and you're starting off with your first mic, a lot of people buy a boom mic that comes overhead. You just speak into it. It's just a little bit out of frame, so where you see my hand coming up right here, it might be like right here to where you can't see it in frame, but it's picking up your voice and stuff. However, I would recommend going with a wireless lavalier microphone setup to start, only because it's gonna allow you more versatility. For example, if you're sitting here just doing a talking head video, you can use a wireless lavalier mic. If you're outside vlogging and you're holding your camera like this, you can use a lavalier mic. But also, if you want to set your camera down and get a further away shot, maybe you're doing something in your yard or at a park or something, but you still want audio, a wireless lavalier mic. Let's say you're like me and you're playing VR games and you want to stream them.
Don't say it.
A wireless lavalier mic.
Cut his throat.
So I think I got it in your heads, a wireless lavalier mic. So the question is, which set of lavalier microphones? Well, I'm gonna suggest the company Comica. So Comica makes a microphone set called the Boom X-D2 Pro wireless lavalier microphone, as you can see here on the screen. This comes with 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. That means you can actually have 2 people. If you want to do a podcast, a wireless lavalier mic.
You stop it.
It comes with all of this stuff you see here in this picture. It comes with a carrying case. It comes with the cables you would need to plug it into your phone. It comes with the cables you would need to plug it into your camera. It also comes with the microphones that you can actually just have, if you don't want this big thing right here showing up, you can actually just have the little microphone and plug it in. So it comes with all that stuff and it's $219. However, and I want to say this right now, when we add all this up, it's probably gonna be a little bit over $500. I think when I added it all up, it was like $575. However, wait, before you bring out the pitchforks, almost all of these products go on sale on Amazon. As you can see right here, this one's $20 off, which actually makes it 200 bucks. Did I go a little bit over the 500? Yes. But for real, to get what I consider to be the best budget for the price and everything, I had to go a little bit over. So I've been using Comica microphones for a while. So as you can see here, I have these Comica, a transmitter receiver. This plugs into, I don't know if you can see it, but I have a Focusrite over here, which is like an audio interface that plugs into a computer. And then this is the one I wear and it has one of the little microphones I was just talking about that you can just clip up here and you're good to go. Before I bought this one that I'm using now, which is the DJI lavalier microphones. They're the ones that make the drones that everybody uses, but they're quite a bit more expensive. They're like 350 bucks. If you have the extra money, the DJI are great. But Comica is great too. I have this set, and just to prove it, I have this set, like I'm not BSing you guys. And then I also have this set. This is more like the one I'm talking about, where it has 2 transmitters and 1 receiver. The Boom XD2 did not exist when I bought these microphones. It is a newer product, but I would recommend them. In terms of specs, they're better on paper than all the other ones. Because I do have experience with Comica, I'm gonna say that they're a great buy. Plus, they have a 4.7 out of 5 stars on Amazon. All right, let's jump back on the computer and move on. The second item we're worried about is our lighting. As I said, if you don't have good lighting, your videos are gonna look like crap. With that said, the next item, Godox SL60 watt CRI 95 plus 5600 Kelvin light. So it comes with this. What you see here is what you get. You know, it's not much. You get like a little spotlight thing that goes in there to turn this into a spotlight. You also get this reflector, but we're not interested in either of those. What we're actually gonna be interested in is this light, but then we're also gonna grab this light box, which is made by Godox as well. Comes with a carrying case, comes with the stuff, but this is called a lantern softbox, and this really allows the light to fill out more so than something like the one I have here. I would not recommend this setup. I would recommend the lantern to start with, because I think it's gonna give you a lot more versatility than something like this is gonna give you. The Godox SL60, again, just to, you know, not BS in here, but that's actually the light right here that is shining on me from this way when I'm sitting here to look in this camera. That is a Godox SL60W. The W stands for white. They also make it in orange color if you'd rather have that. Totally your choice. $139 for the light. I don't really see this go on sale much, if I'm being honest. And then also the lantern is $98. So I actually own 2 of these lights, and I've been using them for a long time. I love them. Godox, in my opinion, they're the budget version of aperture lights. So that's what I would say for the lighting. Then you're gonna need a tripod for your phone. Now, there are some cheaper options, but again, if you go with cheaper options, they're gonna be crap quality. Just remember, Derek is the king of budget equipment, all right? I know I've tested all this stuff over the years. I've been doing this a long time. This tripod right here, the name of it changes. It's made in China. It'll have 5,000 different names, but you'll find it on here. It'll have a good rating when you look up tripods. $76.99. However, $25 off coupon. Actually, I'm using it right here. This is the one right here that I am using with that I have my cell phone attached to. So as you can see in the picture on Amazon, it comes with the phone mount already, but then also one of the legs detaches off of this tripod, and you can use it as a monopod, as you can see in the picture there. That's basically all of the kind of necessary equipment. So that puts you a little bit over $500. Huh? However, you can also minus the coupon. The only other thing I would mention is one way to really up your YouTube set is to add a couple lights, some colors. You see it in everybody's videos. Why? Because it looks nice. And also it helps you pop off the back and stuff a little bit. There's actually a really cheap set of LED lights from Newer. They're not fantastic, but they work, and they work well for what they are. And they're $37 for 2 of them with stands, with tripod stands, aluminum tripod stands, and with color filters, red, blue, yellow, and the white, which is just to diffuse the normal light. And they are dimmable, so you can, you know, brighten them, lower them down, but they're not a necessity, so we're not gonna include those in our $500 price. Instead, those are gonna be like a bonus add-on thing. Seriously, I've been testing this stuff out forever, and I get sent these products all the time from all these different companies to test out. I have plenty of reviews of all these different products on my YouTube channel somewhere. Highly recommend looking those up. And also, if you do wanna purchase any of this stuff, I'll make sure I leave links down in the description below where you can just click on them, go to Amazon and pick them up. If you guys have any questions at all, please ask them in the comments. I'll be happy to help. But that's my YouTube setup for under $500. That'll get you started on your way to becoming the best YouTuber on the goddamn planet. All right, until next time, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys later. Peace out, everybody. Later, nerds.